All right, guys. Next up, I've got Mike here. He's going to do a box of 2015 Panini Prizm Hobby Baseball. 2 autos per box out of this stuff. Good luck, buddy. Appreciate it, man. All right. Dana Norse. Die cut. Robbie Cano. David Price. And, oh, very nice. Rookie autograph, Javi Baez. Sweet, man. Javi Baez rookie auto, unnumbered. Myers, silver. James Loney as the camo number to 199. McCutcheon, die cut. Carlos Rodon, Keymeyer, silver. Ken, what's going on, buddy? Anthony Rendon, tie-dye. That is numbered 42 of 50. My Nets. Soler, Clayton Kershaw, die cut. Autograph. Man, great box right here. Jock Peterson. Pompey. Bartolo Colon. Didn't he just become the winningest Latin pitcher in history? I think I saw that to 125. And our last pack. McCann, silver, and base. All right, excellent box. Great price. Hope you enjoyed, buddy. If I can get you anything else,